Okay, then tell me about chemistry. Today chemistry also is there now.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about chemistry. Chapter 1, 3, 4, 5 are the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
So tell me any problem in these given
Sir, in,
chapters. Chapter
sir, in
1,
chapter 5.
chapter 5.
Sir, 5.
Chemistry chapter 5. Okay. So let me open chemistry chapter 5 here. Books we have here. I have kept the book here. Class 7 chemistry. Chapter 5. Okay, this is chapter 5. So in chemistry chapter 5, what problem you have? Means you have problem in exercise or you have problem in theory?
Sir, in exercise.
Exercise. Okay, let me open then exercise page. Tell me, in which question you have problem? Tell me, I will make you understand.
Sir, in this one. Sir, D, E, and Sir, D, E.
D and E. Okay, complete these chemical equations. So I will make you understand these chemical equations. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me make it large. So making the chemical reactions or chemical equations is very, very easy. There is nothing hard in that. You just need to try to understand the concept over here. So let me make you understand the concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So by the way, answer is written here, but I will make you understand, complete these chemical equations. Here it is written
Okay.
magnesium, 2 magnesium plus oxygen O2, magnesium plus oxygen. If you will add up, so it will become 2 MgO. This one is correct. Okay. Magnesium
Yes, sir.
oxide. This will become magnesium oxide.
Yes, sir.
Then CaCO3 means calcium and carbon dioxide plus 2HCl. If you will add in that, so it will change into this one.
Yes, sir.
Then third one is H2O and fourth one is 2CO. Here you have to write 2CO. And the fifth one is 4NO2. Here you need to write 4. Someone has written here 2. This is wrong. Here you have to write 4NO2. You write 4NO2. 4N. Question number 5, write 4NO2.
Yes, sir.
Then you have problem in number E also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In number E, it is very easy. It is written here, write balanced molecule equations for the following word equations. So equations are given here in word, but we have to change it. Write the balanced molecule equations. We have to change it into molecule equations. So this is also very easy. Here is it written zinc. So zinc, you know that zinc formula or zinc molecule is Zn. Zn plus H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is known as H2SO4. Right, Zn plus H2SO4. Then put this arrow, and here you have zinc sulfate. So zinc sulfate ZnSO4. Correctly it is written. Then plus hydrogen plus H2. It's very easy. For zinc, you have to write Zn. Sulfuric acid, for sulfuric acid, you have to write H2SO4. Then for zinc sulfate, you need to write ZnSO4, ZnSO4, and for hydrogen, you have to write H2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for iron. Okay, for iron, come here. For iron, you have to write 3Fe. Here you need to write 3Fe, 3 capital Fe. Someone has written wrong here. You write here 3Fe. I am writing here 3Fe. Okay, write 3Fe plus steam. For steam, you have to write 4H2O plus, then equation will be balanced. 4H, okay, 4H2O. Okay, then arrow is given here. Iron oxide. For iron oxide, what will you write? For iron oxide, you need to write Fe3O4. Fe3O4. Fe3O4 plus hydrogen. For hydrogen, you have to write 4H2. For making it balance, we have to write 4H2. Right, plus 4H2 plus 4H2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then come to at third number. At third number, it is given here nitrogen. For nitrogen, you have to write N2. Correctly, it is written. Then plus 2O2. For oxygen, you have to write 2O2. We are balancing it. Then nitrogen dioxide. For nitrogen dioxide, you have to write 2NO2. So it is written correct here. Okay, N2
Yes.
plus 2O2, then arrow 2NO2. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Come to at page number 85. Number 4 for carbon. Number 4 for carbon, you have to write C only. C for carbon, write only C, and plus nitric acid. For nitric acid, you have to write 4HNO3. 4HNO3. Here someone has written 2. This is wrong. Let me write correctly. This is your book, na? I have taken your book.
No, sir. I have not written these things.
Okay. Then someone other has written like that. Let me make the pencils a little bit dark and fatty pencils. Then you have to write C. First you write for carbon C plus for nitric acid you have to write 4HNO3. 4H NO3. Then arrow. Then carbon dioxide. For carbon dioxide, you have to write CO2. CO2 plus nitrogen dioxide. For nitrogen dioxide, you have to write 4NO2. 4NO2. Then water only. For water, you need to write 2H2O. For water, you have to write 2H2O. 2H, then 2O. Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
Then for ammonium nitrate, in question number 5, for ammonium nitrate, you have to write NH4NO3. 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 Then nitrous oxide. For nitrous oxide, you have to write N2O. N2O, then plus water. For water, you have to write 2H2O. 2H, then 2O. Then come to at 6 number, zinc sulfide. For zinc sulfide, you have to write 2ZNS. 2ZNS. Okay. For oxygen, you have to write O2. Then zinc oxide. For zinc oxide, you have to write 2ZNO. 2ZNO. Then sulfur dioxide. For sulfur dioxide, you have to write plus 2SO2. Plus 2SO2. Any problem?
No, sir.
Then in number 7, come to at number 7. At number 7, it is written nitrogen plus hydrogen. So for nitrogen, you have to write N2. Then for hydrogen, you have to write 3H2. 3H2. And for ammonia, you have to write 2NH3. Then come to at number 8. Number 8, aluminium. Aluminium, you have to write 4Al. 4Al plus. For oxygen, you have to write 3O2. 3O2. Then arrow, aluminium oxide. So 2Al2 and O3. 2Al2, O3. Then at number 9, you have to write carbon dioxide. For carbon dioxide, CO2. CO2 plus carbon. For carbon, you have to write only C. Then carbon monoxide. For carbon monoxide, you have to write 2CO. 2CO. Come to at number 10. At number 10, it is written sodium. Okay, sodium. So for sodium, you have to write Na, means 2Na. 2Na plus. For water, you have to write H2O. Then you have to write what is written here. Then sodium hydroxide is written. Sodium hydroxide. For sodium hydroxide, you have to write 2NaOH. 2NaOH. Then for hydrogen, you have to write H2 only. Okay. Tell me in number F, you have any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
F number you have written, define the following terms: chemical reaction, chemical equation, then reactants and products you have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me any doubt somewhere else. Whatever your doubt is there, you may ask. And I am recording this video. Whatever I am teaching you, I am recording also. At the end of the class, when class will be end, so I will give you the video of this class also, so you can see in your mobile. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me. Anything else?
No, sir.
In chemistry, anything else? There is no problem in chemistry.
No, sir.
Okay, in physics, you have any problem, any doubt? In physics, any chapter?
No,
4,
sir. In
5?
physics, no doubt.
In physics, there is no doubt. Okay. So let me give you homework then. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when tomorrow I will come, so tomorrow I will check today's homework and the day before yesterday means tomorrow homework also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in chemistry, I am giving you from chapter 5 only, because chapter 5, it seems me important.
Yes.
And tomorrow when I will come, so how will you balance the equation, that I also will let you know in your home. At your home, I will let you know how will you balance the equation in chemical reaction in chemistry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your homework is page number 83, all multiple choice questions, and fill in the blanks. Page number 83. Then page number 84. You have three options: A, B, C. A, B. Tell me. A, B, C.
What, sir?
You have homework in chemistry from the exercise A, B, C, and F.
Okay, sir.
So let me write it down, otherwise you will forget. Let me write here. Your homework: A, B, C, and F. In the F, answer the following question, define the following terms is written 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is your homework from chapter 5 in chemistry. So I will send you this video also. In that video also you can see, you can check. So chemistry homework, this you have to write and learn and write in your HW copy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me open physics book. On the screen, let me open physics book, and from that again I will give you homework and you have to complete. Chemistry, physics is here. Physics syllabus is 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let me check what is in 4. 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is sound. Chapter 6 is about sound.
Yes.
From inside the books, there is checkpoint also. From checkpoint also you have to learn. Let me give you homework. Where there is checkpoint, from there also I will give you. Here we have checkpoint. Yes. At page number 110. This one. Answer the following question. Page number 100.
Yes, sir.
This you have to write and learn. Tomorrow I will check your homework and I will listen question and answer also orally.
Okay, sir.
Then come to at exercise page. Exercise page. You have another checkpoint also at page number 117. Another checkpoint at 117.
Sir, one question.
This one is also homework. Okay.
118 also.
Yes, that earlier checkpoint also and this checkpoint also. And from exercise ABC. From exercise ABC. From exercise A, B, C. Means fill in the blanks, true, false, and multiple choice question. Multiple choice question, true, false, and fill in the blanks. These are the homework in physics.
Okay, sir.
So when tomorrow I will come, so tomorrow I will check physics and chemistry homework and I will listen also question and answer.
Okay, sir.
And tomorrow you have test also. I have already prepared the question. Tomorrow you have maths test. Tomorrow when yesterday I was teaching you what chapters I was teaching in math. That was for algebra.
Yes, sir.
So from that chapter, what I had taught you yesterday, from that chapter, math, and from English one, chapter 28, that phrasal verb. 2 chapters test I have already prepared. Do you want to see the question? I have I have typed and I have printed it out, and tomorrow you have test. So tomorrow I will check your homework and I will listen orally also. Okay, and you will get the video of this class also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye. Any problem? Anything else?
No, sir.
If your brother is there, you send him here.
Yes, sir.
Send him here.
Come here fast. Sir is calling you. Sir, he came.
He can. So play your video. Okay, now listen. I have prepared a game link on chapter 6 or chapter 7. Keywords.
Sir, I don't play game.
Let me show you. Let me show you on the screen. See. Very easy. Let me show you. I have sent in 3AC group also. Link I have sent, but how will you play? Let me show you. Let me open WhatsApp and I will show you. That is question and answer game. Okay. Are you listening properly? Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you able to see on the screen whatever I am showing you? Don't move your camera here and there. You just sit silently and you see. I'm opening the WhatsApp. It is taking a little bit. Okay, now it is opened. Let me show you. See, in 3AC group, I have given this link. This is the link you have to click. When you will click, it will redirect you to a new page. See, this new page will open. The new page has opened. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
What is written here? Tell me.
Sir, GSC class 3, page number 68 and 69, chapter 7, bracket keyword game.
Yes.
MD Anwar.
Yes. So here you have to write your name. Here you have to write your name. If name is already written, then you have to write that's not me. Because I have played, so my name is written. If I will touch here, that's not me. So you have to write your name. What is your name? Manas Dev.
Sir, Manas Dev.
So write
Yes,
Manas.
sir.
Write Manas Dev. MANAS Manas Dev. Then click start. Where you have to click
Start.
start. When you will click the start, so one page will open. See, here you have to click here. Then you will see. One question will appear. See. Tell me, a substance is stable in shape, not in liquid. What is the answer? Solid or liquid? What would be the answer?
Sir, a substance is stable in shape, not liquid. Sir, solid.
Very good. So in this way you have to play. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Then next question will come. Get ready for question number 2. Anything that does not occupy space and has mass is called matter. Correct or incorrect?
Sir, incorrect.
Very good.
Sir, this is not correct. Matter definition is not correct.
Very good. So that answer was not correct. Then anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. It is correct or not?
Yes, sir, correct.
Then click on correct. Then you will get bonus round. In that you don't need to do anything. You just need to touch one card. ये बोनस राउंड है. इस बोनस राउंड में कुछ नहीं करना, बस एक किसी कार्ड को चुन लेना है. उसमें पॉइंट्स छुपा हुआ, तो किसी को भी चूज कर लेना है. 100 पॉइंट्स मिल गया. The envelope of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere.
Sir, correct.
Very good. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, a substance that flows freely and has consistency, liquid और gas, क्या होगा इसका आंसर?
सर गैस।
नो, लिक्विड होगा। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, a substance that does not flow freely and has consistency is called liquid.
सर इनकरेक्ट।
वेरी गुड। फिर बोनस राउंड आ गया, एक में 200 पॉइंट्स है, एक में 100, एक में 50, तो चूज करना है ज्यादा से ज्यादा चूज वाला।
सर लास्ट वाला ले लीजिए।
लास्ट
सर
वाला,
ये वाला।
ठीक है, चलो लास्ट वाला ले लीजिए। 50 पॉइंट ही आया। प्रिया कुंज तुम्हारा 50 पॉइंट्स घटा दिया, 50 पॉइंट्स आया। अच्छा, एयर लाइक सब्सटेंस व्हिच डज नॉट एक्सपैंड फ्रीली टू फिल एनी स्पेस, लिक्विड होगा या गैस होगा?
सर
एयर
लिक्विड।
नहीं, गैस ना होगा। एयर लाइक सब्सटेंस मतलब हवा के जैसा सब्सटेंस क्या होता है? गैस ना होता है।
गैस। सर कितना क्वेश्चन है इसमें? यहाँ
देखो 11 क्वेश्चन है। कितना है?
11 क्वेश्चन।
मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन, अब ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है। मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन 2, 3 और 4?
सर 3।
वेरी गुड। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है, पार्टिकल्स इन ए सॉलिड्स आर लूजली पैक्ड, वेरी लूजली पैक्ड और वेरी क्लोजली पैक्ड, क्या होगा?
सर वेरी लूजली पैक्ड।
वेरी क्लोजली पैक्ड, क्लोजली पैक्ड। अब ये लास्ट का बोनस राउंड है, अब बोलना ठीक से, बोलो।
सर नंबर 3।
नंबर 3, ठीक है। चलो 100 पॉइंट्स आ गया। Which of the following flow easily and take the shape of the containers in which they are kept, solid, liquid और gas, क्या होगा?
सर लिक्विड।
अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ठीक से बोलना। The air and steam are in the dash, solid states और liquid state और gas states, क्या होगा?
सर गैस स्टेट्स।
अब जो है कि तुम लास्ट में क्या कर सकते हो, लीडर बोर्ड देख सकते हो, आंसर देख सकते हो, स्टार्ट अगेन पर क्लिक करके दोबारा खेल सकते हो। तो लीडर बोर्ड में देखो अभी कौन बच्चा सबसे ऊपर है। बहुत सारे बच्चों ने खेला है आज, मैंने ये ग्रुप में डाला है ना, तो देखो नंबर 1 पर है अंशराज, फिर सेकंड नंबर पर शाद सत्तार अहमद, फिर थर्ड नंबर पर मानस देव, अभी तुम्हारा नाम आ गया, फिर तेजस कुमार, फिर रिया, राजकुमार, हेमब्रॉम, आदित्य, आराध्या सिंह, श्रेया। 10 लीडर बोर्ड में 10 बच्चे का नाम आता है। ठीक है,
यस सर।
तो इसका लिंक तुम्हारे मोबाइल पर सेंड कर दें क्या?
नो सर, 3AC ग्रुप पे है लिंक।
ओ, तो अब तो तुम वहां से खेल लोगे।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो अब मिलते हैं कल घर पर। कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर, अभी हम स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं।
ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर वगैरह याद करके रखना, और उसके बाद कल हम आते हैं घर पर। ओके, बाय।
यस सर।
और हाँ, और ये इस वीडियो का रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा 1 घंटे के बाद, तो इस वीडियो को देख लोगे, जो जो मैंने पढ़ाया है, जैसे जैसे बताया, इसको देख सकते हो। ठीक है।
यस।
Okay, bye.